Did you know a modern smartphone can be fully assembled in just 6 minutes inside advanced factories?
Every second matters inside these factories, where speed and accuracy must work perfectly together.
These smartphone assembly lines operate 24/7 to meet massive global demand. Welcome inside a modern smartphone factory, where technology and human skill combine seamlessly.
Each phone passes through dozens of automated stations designed for perfect precision. Manufacturers face enormous pressure to produce millions of smartphones every single day.
Supply chain delays and component shortages can slow production instantly.
Labor shortages force factories to rely even more on advanced automation systems.
Artificial intelligence now controls assembly speed, accuracy, and error detection. Smart cameras inspect every component faster than the human eye ever could. Automation reduces mistakes while dramatically increasing production speed.
Despite automation, skilled workers still play a critical role in quality control.
This is where thousands of individual parts come together in perfect harmony. Each smartphone is powered on and tested within seconds of final assembly.
Every device must survive intense durability and performance tests.
Real-time data ensures problems are fixed instantly without stopping production.
This efficiency allows factories to ship millions of smartphones worldwide.
Efficient assembly directly impacts availability, pricing, and consumer choice. From factory floors, these phones travel across continents within days. This non-stop operation defines the future of modern electronics manufacturing.
What do you think about how smartphones are made at this incredible speed?
Comment below and watch our next video for more amazing technology insights.